Hi, my name is Sophie Summers, and as always, welcome to the Crossdressing Lifestyle channel. Now, it's been almost a year since our last video, and that is down to the fact that we have moved from Brighton to our new location here in Bognor Regis. And our new home needed an awful lot of renovation work done, and I've been working on it literally a day and night for almost a year. And thankfully, we are almost there. And the good news is that's going to give me a lot more time for doing videos, which I'm extremely excited about. Also, during the year off, I took a couple of weeks out to go to Turkey to have my teeth done. Now, that is as a result of the fact that having extensive dental work here in the UK was extremely expensive. And if you want to find out a little bit more about how much money I did save, and it was an awful lot of money, going to Turkey and what the experience was like, then please leave a comment down below and I'll be happy to do a video on it. But today's video is to introduce you a little bit to Bognor Regis, our new location, so to speak. So without further ado, let's have a little walk around Bognor Regis and see what you think of it. Thank you very much for sticking to the end. As I said in the opening, I've got a lot of videos planned and I've shot and recorded some of it already, so please keep an eye out. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like and share. It helps. We are hoping to get to a grand total of 20,000 before Christmas, and hopefully we can do it with your help. Now, as I say, that concludes today's little short video, but as always, please stay gorgeous, stay safe, and until the next time, bye bye.